This is a brand new 2014 Ford Escape. It features a 1.6-liter four-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include Bluetooth mobile device connectivity, a rear-view camera, voice activation technology, an audio media storage unit, satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a turbocharger, a limited-slip differential, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, a power driver's seat, cruise control, front and rear floor mats, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, steering wheel controls, and an auxiliary power outlet. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
D&D Motors is located at 13655 East Wade Hampton Boulevard in Greer. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.